Hey, what's up, Winklink holders? So today video is going very special, and this is a live price prediction of a Winklink coin, my friend. To upcoming days, they're moving up or they fails down. What's the prediction, my friends? You can see here this time the live chart, my friend. The Winklink and the previous days completely take a jump. You can see here this times, absolutely, my friends. They take a jump. You can see here and April at the end of April, especially, my friends, they're moving up like a rocket. So definitely a lot of holders starting buying. So therefore, my friend, the price is also increasing now. And this time, first of all, my friend, if we check out the latest updates, my friends, to what's going on in this time, then absolutely, my friend, we understand to Winklink as moving up or they feels down. My friend, this time you can see here the Winklink price is 0.001307 US dollar, and the change occur in the last 24 hours as 7.08% fails down. So why, my friend, they fails down? I told you, my friend, especially the short time investor. I already told you, my friend, in the latest updates about Winklink, my friends, to Winklink as fails down because short time investing people are starting selling. So definitely, my friend, the Winklink price is in decrease and the change occurs in negative. So therefore, my friend, this is the start of month. So therefore, the one big reason is also that. So if you can see here, my friend, this time the market cap of Winklink as 7.24% fails down, and this time you can see here the market cap also fails down, and fully diluted market cap is also fails down. 7.24% fully diluted market cap is fails down. And if we check out the volume of last 24 hours, so 61.67% of Winklink coin volume is fails down. So why the volume is fails down? Because this is the start of month, but my friend, this is now the second week of this month. So I hope, my friend, at the mid of this month, I hope they change occurs in positive and they moving up like a rocket. So this time, if you can see here, the market cap volume market cap as 0.5835, and circulating supply as 313.61 billion. So my friend, I think the circulation is also fails down. So this is absolutely, my friend, very bad change occur in Winklink in the last 24 hours, my friend. And if we check out, my friends, this time the live trading, my friends, so I think this is also gone in negative. So why they are gone in the negative? This is one big reason, my friend. This is the start of month. I already tell you, my friend. Okay, why they in upcoming days they moving up or they fails down like that, and why they moving a very bad fails down, not just a simple, my friend. You can see here they cross the resistance line. If the crypto coin cross the resistance line, then definitely, my friend, it's mean to they are in the completely and the lost, my friend. So this time you can see here the resistance line is here, my friend, and you can see here the resistance line sometimes they cross fails down, and sometimes they moving up. So definitely when they're moving up, then the change occurs in positive. But definitely, my friend, you can see here the red candle is absolutely start now at the current time. So why, my friend, in upcoming time, what you say, can they moving up or they fails down more? So my friend, I hope in upcoming times they're moving up, because after a fails they take a jump. Exactly, my friend, after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So I think Winklink after this fails, my friends, they also take a jump. So definitely the good time is coming soon, my friend, and after this fails they take a very big jump. So holders, kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they move up in upcoming time, because at the mid of month, I hope, my friends, they make you millionaire. They moving up completely at the mid of this month. I hope they change occur as in positive. So all holders, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for latest updates. I guide you every time, and this time I already show you the latest updates. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.